Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this fantastic, because it is fantastic, industrial laptop that this brand sent to me for the video. Industrial laptop, meaning actually laptop, no, tablet. Yeah, I was just confused because this one, it has Windows inside. It is like I want to say it's like having a mini computer on a tablet. And this one is going to be really good for commercial use because it has so many good features. And I'm going to show in a few seconds, show it to you in a close up. But this one, it is a rugged tablet. This one meaning that it's going to be rugged, it's going to be resistant to everything, to dust, to hail, to rain, waterproof, rock-proof, dust-proof, whatever you can throw at this one is going to resist it. Because it has a case right here, as you can see, a super resistant case. So that is what it makes it to be so good for kind of like I want to say on-site work with a tablet. That if you need schedules, if you need like agenda, if you need like a camera, if you need to manage some type of software, if you need to make some blueprints, or if you're looking for like architectural procedures or things like that, in 128 gigabytes of storage. So that's actually a really good amount of memory, like fast memory, and it's also touch, and a few things that I'm going to show you in a few seconds. But things first, right here, it comes with an instruction manual. Just give it a read, because this one is not hard to understand and just like follow the instructions and everything. But since this one is a tablet that comes with Windows, you will need to set up a few things first. It comes with this pen over here for the screen, and also the adapter over here, USB-C to USB, and also the USB-C cable for charging purposes, as well as this holder over here that you're gonna put in your palm, like, you know, when you're just kind of like on site with this one, and you're gonna put it right here on the back. So let's take a closer look now. So as I was telling you before, completely rugged. You can see how good this case is over here. That's gonna be your connection, and then you're gonna have right here your charging ports and the USB port, as well as the jack for the headphones, and an HDMI to connect it to like a TV or something like that. Then you're gonna have this one for connected to multiple display, as well as this one. I don't know which. Oh, actually, this one, what it's gonna give you is the chance to connect it to a 4G, like a phone line. You have that. You can actually connect it to that as well. And then right here, you're gonna find the on and off power button. You're gonna find the apps button as well. I'm gonna show it to you, and then the volume up and down as well. This one right here, you're also gonna find the fingerprint login. So that's actually really good. You find the camera. Let's check it out right here. So the app button that I was just showing you before goes right here on the top. So you click it and you have all the apps, and then for sure this one's gonna be touch, so you're not gonna have any issues with that. You have the camera. So right now we are, I think it's the face camera. Yeah, we are right there. Hey, how is it going? But we can swap it, of course. We can switch it to the back camera right here. Super easy. So you can see that it's touch, so no issues over there. And you can see that this one goes really nice with kind of like filming and taking photos on the go. So that is actually kind of good. And of course, again, as I was telling you before, this is fully customizable on the actual, this was up, right? Yeah, up, so we can close it. And then we are gonna check this one right now. So you're gonna see that has all the media options, volume as well. Let's put it up a little bit, and you can see the nice resolution that this one has, and also that is fast enough to run softwares. So one more time, if you need something powerful, reliable, and then also all the other options to connect it to multiple displays, and of course having it with you on the go with the hot swappable batteries over there, and of course portrait and landscape mode on the go, on site, if you need something to work really fast, but the comfort of your own hand. I like it. I do recommend. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.